In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat on 2026, step by step. Adobe Acrobat doesn't keep its own private list of fonts. It reads whatever fonts are installed on your computer. So the way to add fonts to Acrobat is to install the font at the system level, then relaunch Acrobat so it can see the new files. First, get the font you want in either TTF or OTF format from a trustworthy source. Many creators offer both types, either one works for Acrobat. Save the download to your computer. Most browsers place it in the Downloads folder by default, but feel free to move it somewhere easy to find. Make sure you have the proper license for the font, especially if you plan to use it commercially. Sometimes fonts arrive as a compressed zip archive. If yours is zipped, extract it before installing. Right-click the zip, choose Extract All, and open the new folder that appears. Inside, you should see one or more .ttf or .otf files, sometimes grouped by style like regular, bold, italic, or black. Those are the files you'll install. Next, install the font. The quick way is to right-click the .ttf or .otf file and choose Install. If you want every account on this computer to have the font, right-click and choose Install for all users. You may be asked for administrator approval. If the system warns that the font is already installed, you can skip duplicates or replace them if you're updating to a newer version. For families with several styles, repeat the install action for each file in the set. When that's done, completely close Adobe Acrobat and open it again. Relaunching is important because Acrobat only scans for available fonts when it starts up. After reopening, you can confirm the installation by using a text tool like Add Text in Edit PDF or a commenting text box and opening the font dropdown. The new font should be listed along with your existing ones. If you don't see it, double check that you installed the actual .ttf or .otf from the extracted folder and not the zip itself, and make sure Acrobat wasn't running during installation. Also note that some specialty fonts might limit embedding or lack certain characters, which can affect how they appear in PDFs. That's it. Download the font, extract if needed, install it, then restart Acrobat, and you're ready to design with your new type.